there is Mrs. S. Today I am going to show you how to make an owl out of a toilet paper roll. So you're gonna need only two materials. You're gonna need a cardboard toilet paper roll and a black marker. That's it. Step number one will be to fold the top of the toilet paper in. So you're gonna, with two fingers, you're gonna push in the top on one side and you're gonna turn it around and you push the other side. Okay? These are gonna be the ears of the little owl. Now we're gonna make the eyes. For the eyes we need two big circles. One over here, one over here. Do not worry if one is bigger than the other. You can fix that. You can make the lines a little bit thicker. So once we have the eyes, the big circles, we are gonna make two little circles inside. One over here, fill it in. One over here, fill it in. I'm gonna make lines going all the way around from the center to the edge of the circle. You take your time, okay? See, one eye, the other eye. Now we're gonna make the beak. Down, up, like the little V. Down, up, the little beak. You can close it up if you want to. Now we're gonna make the wings. The wings, we're gonna make a curved line on each side. Curve, curve. Now we're gonna close it up. I'm gonna start making rows of feathers. Wavy, 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 wavy. So we're gonna make rows of feathers. You take your time. Okay, it's hard to do it here in the air, but you can put it on the table and you can very slowly make all the rows of feathers. The bottom you can make another one or you can make the feet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when you're done with that, you can decorate. You can make more lines in the wings. You can, in this one, see, I decorated a little bit more the wings. In this one, I added a little bit of color. That's optional, but I hope you have fun making this owl, and I will see you soon. Bye!